Hello kids! This book is called The Lion and the Bird. On a beautiful autumn day, a lion finds a wounded bird in his garden. With the departure of the bird's flock, Lion decides that he'll care for the bird. Over the course of the winter, the two become fast friends. Nevertheless, the bird rejoins his flock the following spring, and Lion is left alone. Spring and summer pass, and autumn returns, with the most wonderful surprise ever. The Lion and the Bird by Marianne Dubuc. Lion is working in his garden when he hears a sound. Oh, poor little thing. Lion can't just leave him there. "Let's bandage you up," says Lion. "That will help." Oh no, they're flying away. Don't worry, you won't be cold here. You're welcome to stay with me. There's more than enough room for both of us. Look, it's snowing. The snow is cold and icy, but you're snug and warm. They spend the winter together, enjoying each day. It snows and snows. But winter doesn't feel all that cold with a friend. Then one day, spring returns. And the others too. Yes, says Lion. I know. And so it goes. Sometimes life is like that. Lion's garden grows. Summer passes slowly, softly. Then one day, autumn returns. And how about you? Lion wonders. Maybe. Together, we'll stay warm again this winter. The end. The Lion and the Bird. Bye-bye, kids.